Dear students, BA Part second semester third, subject English literature. I am Nitesh Telhande, assistant professor in English. In the yesterday video, we learned about grandmother Mary Field, her funeral ceremony, as well as her house and garden. Today, we are going to learn about Charles Lamb's brother, Mr. John Lamb, who is uncle of Alice and John. So here, John Stein deposited back upon the plate a bunch of grapes which he had still thickly picked up or something about their uncle John Lamb. Means in this essay, Charles Lamb described about John Lamb. That's why this is autobiographical essay. He was a handsome and a courteous youth and was very fond of riding and hunting. So at that time he was handsome, smart person and he habit about hunting and riding. May always he use horse to go another place and after that he kill two animals means he has habit about hunting. Then Lamb spoke of the John Lee's death. After that also he discussed here or he spoke about John Lamb's death. Yet these the children began to cry and request their father not to tell them anything more about Uncle John, but to tell them some stories about their pretty dead mother. So after that also Charles Lamb or our writer telling about death of the John Lamb. But there is no desire of the children to hear tragic death of the John. So children request to their father, don't take about John Lamb's death. So that is here is a tragic essay. That's why Charles Lamb wrote about John Lamb's death. So after that, children request to Charles Lamb to tell about their mother. 7 long years he had courted the fair Alice Duckman, something in the hope and something is a desire. After Charles Lamb told about his wife, means children's mother. As he gazed and his children, he found that both of them gradually grew feather and then receded till he could see nothing but 2 sharp features which appeared to be shining. So here is the Lamb told about his wife. She is beautiful, but also she knew also tragic. She was also poor, and like that, she means live his life or her life in poor way, which appear to be saying, "We are not of Alice, not of thee, not are we children at all." And after that, he wake up and he think about there is no children, there is no wife, there is no brother like that. So that's why he said, "We are not of Alice, not of these, not are we children at all." So remember this line, exam point of view, this important line. And after that he said, "There is no Alice," means he has not God. Lamb wake up in his bachelor chair where he had fallen asleep and had been dreaming. And after that, suddenly he wake up from his bachelor chair. There is a means sleeping chair, and he think about that is a daydream. So in this way, this essay has been completed. Now we shall see keywords of essay. So there is a first keyword is great grandmother, means Charles' grandmother Mary Field. Another word is traditionary, means traditional, a old custom. Ballad, a poem or song narrative or story in short stanza. So that is a narrative poem. It is called as ballad. Next word is Abbey. Westminster Abbey, where British monarchs, great men, poets, and playwrights lie buried. That is a one type of the graveyard. Troutry, cheap and substrat. Psaltery means it is an the old name of psalter containing devotional song. Another word is the Testament, the second part of the Bible which describes the life and teaching of Jesus. Next word is forbidden fruit. This is an important word, so remember. Forbidden fruit is a metaphor which typically refers to any indulgence or pleasure that is considered immoral and illegal. Means this word is used in the Paradise Lost, is written by John Milton. And there is a fruit to one tree, and that is a forbidden fruit to God. But there is a you and Adam, they eat and they punish and they go to earth, and after that suffering is starting to them. That's why human being is in always in suffering. Peak means type of fish. Lake, name of river. So these are the keywords. Remember it. Now we are going to see long answer question. So answer the following question is about 200 words each. Means you have to write answer 200 words. So remember this question, exam point of view. Summarize the essay Dream Children or Cage After Charles Lamb, a paint picture of Mary Field and George Lamb. Another odd question for this question: how does Dream Children reflect the personal element from Lamb's life? So like that question can be asked in university exam. Next question is comment on Lamb's style with example draw from Dream Children to show you the silent feature. So you have to write in this question silent feature means characteristics of the essay. Now we are going to discuss about reference to context. It is also important, and this question asked in university exam for 5 marks. So number 1 is reference to context. Children love to listen to stories about their elders when they were children, to stretch their imagination to the conception of a traditionally great uncle, grandma who they never saw. So these lines from the text. So you remember also some important lines from the text to solve reference to context. So we have to write this question in 2 parts. Number 1 reference and number 2 is context. In reference you can mention like that. These lines are taken from an essay Dream Children which is written by Charles Lamb, like that. Next reference to context is here Alice put out one of her dear mother's looks, too tender to be called upbraiding. These are so important lines. Next lines are, I miss his kindness and I miss his closeness. The doctor took off his leave. So these are the lines. Next lines are, we are not of Alice, not of thee, and a name. So remember these lines for reference to context. So we will discuss next prose in next video. Thank you.